So here we have our GoPro, USB-C cable. Now first of all let me turn this on, and now we need to connect this with the MacBook using the cable. Here we got a indication, the red light, and USB connected, but nothing will happen on the screen. So either you go here inside this launchpad, or you can simply click on this search bar here and search for image capture. Open it, and now as you can see, here is our GoPro, and here are all the files which are present inside it. Now if you are connecting it for the first time, it will ask you for the permission to connect it, so just click on allow and it will work.